Hello guys, in this video we will cover how to advertise if you don't have a website, or if you do, but the conversion rate is very low. Let's agree that this video will be mainly useful for the service industry. Let's imagine a situation where you provide air conditioning installation and sales services. You have created a website and launched ads on Facebook and Google, but oops, no leads. Or you are in the air conditioning business but don't have a website at all, and you still need to show ads somehow. In both situations, you can completely manage without a website, because I'm going to show you 3 ways how to launch ads not to your website. The first method is a quiz. A quiz is an interactive test in a fun game-like format. It's like a series of simple questions with a reward for answering them. A quiz not only acts as a landing page, but it's also a warm-up. By answering the quiz questions, your potential client shapes their need. They answer the questions and get a clearer picture of their needs, giving it more definition. From just wanting to order an air conditioner, they gradually realize how many they need, where they will be installed, whether they need a split system or a window unit, and how much they are willing to spend. And most importantly, the time frame of installation. Here is an example of a quiz I created for my client in the air conditioning business in New York. First, our client lands on the quiz entry page, where we immediately entice them with bonuses for completing the test. This is called a lead magnet. In each question, I not only ask them but also provide a brief explanation of our service, introduce them to our company, and highlight our advantages. This is called warming up. Besides that, my quiz includes red flags. These are special questions that help identify unqualified leads. You should always give the client an option to answer in a way that shows they don't need your service. This saves time on calls to unqualified leads. I will include a link to the service below the video. You will get the bonus leads and a free trial period through it. I think you got the idea. Let's move on it. And the second method is a lead form. In the Facebook Ads Manager, there are mini quizzes in a simplified version. They are called lead forms. This means you can show ads to your client on Facebook or Instagram and give them a call to action to leave their contact information, instead of just visiting a website. The pros of this format are high conversion rates. You get a lot of leads, and the cons are that the clients aren't always qualified. I would even say that only about 60% of all leads will be somewhat interested in your service. But this is an excellent way to test lead generation for a new business, to see if your offer is relevant to clients, if there is demand for your service, and if you're worth investing more money into website development. By the way, you can order my services to set up ads for your business. Find out more via the link below. And now the third method, traffic to your Instagram. This is one of the most popular formats. We're talking about Facebook ads, and by setting up ads through Ads Manager, you can direct clients straight to your Instagram account, or to Messenger or WhatsApp or wherever else. You can even set up automated responses and personalization. Before you join the chat, the client will be already have interacted with the autoresponder, getting a sense of what they need. You can drive traffic directly to your Instagram account. This works good in niches where the visual aspects and personal brand are very important, like photo studios, beauty professionals, and coaches. In my experience, leads from this marketing funnel are cheap but very cold. I recommend using a strong offer with a significant guarantee to boost conversion rates. You know how hard it is to create expert marketing content on YouTube. Your likes motivate me to make more videos, so hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also order my services to promote your company. All the links are in description. Bye bye, see you soon.